Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up debugging for your React Native project. I am on 0.70 for this project. This is just a bare minimum project, and in this I'll be adding React Native tools to the IDE. React Native tools in IDE plugin from Microsoft, and once I've done that, I have to add a launch.json file into our project. If it's not available, you will have to follow the way that I am adding it on the video. So in here I'm going to add the attach to Hermes application kind of debugging, and once you've done that, you can see that a launch.json file is created within your VS Code folder, and a configuration is also added in the array. Once you've done that, you need to start an application by running React Native run Android in this case, and you need to have a running packager or a bundler. And for this case, I have added a press me button for debugging purposes. So I'm going to add a function to be triggered on press of this button, and I'm going to use a breakpoint in that function to see if it has hit that breakpoint. So I'm going to add a console log here just to debug the value which is used above, which is called is dark mode, and I'll be adding the breakpoint to this log. Yeah, a little struggle here to get the right variable in because autosuggest doesn't work here, and a little OCD kicked in, and I need to get rid of the red underlines, so I'll just auto fix all issues. So once I'm done with that, I go into the menu for debug on the left hand pane and select the attach to Hermes configuration on the drop down and hit the play button. Once I've done that, I can see a debug menu on top, and on the bottom you can see the orange pane saying and a debug is attached to the current bundler. And you can see when I press down the button, I hit the breakpoint in the do something function,